Hello traders, welcome to another video of 18 plus trader channel. So in this video, I will be analyzing Bank Nifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty on higher time frames. So starting from monthly chart, then moving to weekly, daily, and finally the 1 hour chart. And at the end, I have something, surprising for you all, on what can be the possible moves of, Tuesday coming, that is on April 15th. So as of now, we have a very good big long weekend. Right before getting into the video, I am not a SEBI registered analyst, and all the videos that I do post here are just completely for education purpose. And please do consult your financial advisor before taking any such decisions. Okay. Cool. So coming into opening of Tuesday, I could, as per the current scenario, that could be a neutral or slightly a gap up scenario, and I will upload a separate video, discussing the levels to watch on Tuesday by Monday evening, so that you all will be properly planned for to trade on the Tuesday. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe. And once you subscribe only, I'll get motivated and I can give you more videos, contents, and more free educational videos on setups and all these things. So after reaching 50 videos is something, I will launch our Tuesday video, just 10 more subscriptions, just share it with your friends and do subscribe. And the Tuesday views will be very amazing, that you can easily capture 1:1 and 1:2 and 1:3 on a proper way. Got it. So also like and share among your friends. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, the link is in bio. And if you want any one-on-one guidance, WhatsApp link is also bio. And do follow me on Instagram, Threads, and everywhere as possible, as much as possible. Okay, so okay, let's get started with the video. What happens basically, right? On first, let's start with an monthly chart, right? So let's go ahead and start with a monthly chart on Bank Nifty. What has happened? If you look up at the historical chart, right, Bank Nifty has shown something, which is there was buy it dips first thing, okay, buy, then pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back, buy, pull back, again buy and pull back, right? This is something which Bank Nifty has formed in the for the months and months of time period, right? And which is also stating there is a strong buyer pressure also been in the market, right? So recently also we had a major pullback happening, that is which is completely because of Trump's indicator, which we do always keep on discussing. Now, what we need to do, okay, so I'll give you some other detailed analysis, right? What happened on a monthly time frame. If you look up at the monthly time frame, there were three candles. Let's consider one is one is January and February. If you look up at these two candles, and if you look up at March candle has wiped out completely of June's, previous 2 months candle, which means closing above those two candles body, right? You are able to see it over here, right? And also it has taken, basically considering, December, half of the December is also taken out over here, right? Half of the December is also taken out over here. And why I'm saying this level is, this level is also considered as a proper support, proper resistance level. Why? Because market has already taken a hit and it has come back down, and again it has trying to reach to the newer levels, right? Okay, so coming back to this level, market has again fallen below this zone, and from here market has reversed, right, which is shown in the hourly time frame. So only one thing which I do expect is just break this and close above this. A candle closing above this will indicate that we are moving towards 54,000 shortly, right? This gives us a confirmation on a monthly time frame that we are going on a bullish side only. Got it? And now coming back to another view, right? Just to for your references, I am getting into an from monthly, we will move on into weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, if you look, what has happened on a weekly time frame? On a weekly time frame, there is a clear indication of pattern W is being formed and market is coming below to retest this zone, right? And considering this as the resistance, there was a close above the W pattern resistance and market gone up, and this gap up is because of the Trump indicator, and after that market has also given a close at 50,000, 51,000, right? 51,000, which is a good sign that market is completely bullish. So now again, I'm saying there is only one level which we have to market, right? Which is this zone. Considering this resistance zone, market has to give a close above this zone. When I say market have to give a close above this zone, market closing above this level, we would be able to see a bullish indicator again moving towards 54,000. So on a longer time frame, right, on a longer time frame, on a shorter time frame, our next level, next resistance would be on this zone. Our next resistance would be on the previous week, because you can see so much of liquidity grabbing happened here. Liquidity grabbing, I say, there was, here we were able to see one, two, three. We were able to see so much of liquidity. And next resistance would be on the zone of 51,787, which is expected Tuesday, right? So coming back to other on and now from weekly we will be moving on into daily time frame. When I say daily time frame, you are just understand what are the possibilities that you are able to see. On a daily time frame, I was able to see a double top happening clearly, right? A double top, which I mean you are able to see there is a proper double top happening in this zone. When I say proper double top, right? And the double top was broken just because of the gap down, and it was not a technical or anything. It was a clear price action indication which has been formed over there, and the market kept moving higher. Even after opening, market has trapped the sellers at this zone, and from there it moved high, came down for a retracement, and again the close is also more convincing on the bank nifty. Okay, so when I say on a daily time frame, this is what it happens. Now the market again have to close above the levels which I have given, which is the W pattern levels. Market has given a close, but then another confirmation going there, retesting and closing. I would be totally bearish until 54,000 on the coming days. Cool. Now coming to the most interesting analysis of an hourly time frame. What happens in the hourly time frame? I'll give you a perfect analysis. Just extend your chart, go to the trend line, and check either were you able to draw any trend lines, right? There is one perfect trend lines which is available in the market currently, which you are able to draw easily with the current market trend. So even if the market reverses, right, and considering this is the support zone for the market, why I am saying this is the support zone, this level you are able to see, right? From here, this level market has to respect, right? And when market is respecting this zone, market will come to this zone, retest, and then go to the new heights. This is what the expectations tomorrow, for the week. You're pretty clear what are the possibilities for this week. So on an hourly time frame, there is a trend line, and there is one more probability and possibility which could happen where market might break down the trend line to trap all the sellers at this zone and then go up, is also possible. So stay cautious, wait for the confirmation, and then please go ahead and trade. Cool, guys, got it. So I believe this has given you a clear idea on how do we trade on Bank Nifty. Now the same way coming into Nifty chart. What happens in the Nifty basically? Let's first start with on a monthly time frame. So monthly time frame, Nifty is struggling a bit, to break the previous month's high. That is, Feb high is not broken by the March high, which means market is turning to be on a sideways, right? So when there is a close on a monthly time frame above this resistance, then we can be bullish. And the confirmation comes after coming here, retesting, and then going up is somewhere where we would be able to see a newer heights. If there is no break happening above the trend line, then we are not bullish. And if there is no breakout happening below the trend, below the previous low, previous month low, then we are not bearish also. So far, Nifty is at an important position, important decision making candle is gonna happen either this month or next month. We have to wait, right? We have to wait and watch what is gonna happen in the Nifty on a monthly time frame, right? So now from monthly, we are moving on into the next chart of weekly time frame. So in weekly chart, if you see this week was forming a good price action status structure. Selling pullback, selling this. On a longer time frame, if you see, right? Selling pullback, selling pullback, selling pullback, selling pullback, and again selling. So now what has to happen? The price action indicates it has to be a pullback. But then is the market reversing from this zone or breaking and giving an market structure shift? It's a question mark. So what are we gonna do? We will wait on a weekly time frame because the close is more convincing for me, and this close has to break above this previous high, previous week's high. Breaking above this, I am pretty sure I will turn on into bullish. And so this level is gonna be very, very crucial level for Nifty because I could what I am sensing is Bank Nifty might slow down and Nifty might increase the momentum that it was giving. So this market can easily hit the resistance area. When I say resistance area, this will be my resistance area in Nifty. Okay. And sometimes, on some time patterns, you would not be able to find clear price action or something. On that moment, you have to go to the line and see what it is from. Giving you another clear instinct of being bullish, market has formed a W pattern here, right? And this W pattern neckline is formed. Market is coming to retouch this. And after retouching, again, we will see Nifty reaching newer highs. Newer highs, I mean, the next nearest high portion will be our resistance zone. As I shown you, our resistance would be this zone. Got it? So coming back to market, as I told you, can easily hit you know the resistance level. And also there is one meaning. Let's take market has never broken this low, which mean you were able to see it over here, right? Market has not broken the previous low. This was just because of the Trump's indicator, but then market from here trapped all the sellers came up on a very solid, which indicates that buyers are someone who has taken the market here and not just market is not in the control of sellers if you look up on an on a longer time frame. So now coming into on an daily time frame is also the same way, whereas sometimes we were not able to find a clear pattern with so much of gap up. Again, market has to break the trend line, which I mean the W pattern trend line which has been formed, and market has to come here. Probably my expectation is come here, retouch, and then go for a newer heights. Is what my expectations is. Let's see how the market reacts either this week or next week when the market is reacting. And again, a close above this level of 22,527 gives me a confirmation that market is still in the control of bulls. But then how do we confirm that? There is no price action formed here. The only thing is we will also be able to see the other technical indicators, the EMA, MA, and all those things, and take a confirmation on Nifty on a daily time frame. So coming back to Harley videos, what is the update of our, what are the probabilities that Nifty can move? For this, you guys have to take me to 50 subscriptions, 50 subscribers. Then I will launch the video on Tuesday. Please do ensure before that you watch this video. And if you're not part of the Telegram channel, please join the Telegram channel. The link is in bio. Feel free to ask me for any such doubts, guys. Thank you all. See you. Have a good day. See you in the next video on Tuesday.